Tonight, we're getting our first look at the terrifying moments after gunfire injured 5 teens at a Metro park. We want to warn you, the video may be distressing for some viewers, but even more so for the dad who caught these moments on his dash cam.
Get in, all of you. How many are there? Where's that?
I don't know, but they're shooting.
As he drove to the park to find his 2 young kids, Eric Johnson captured the gunfire and chaotic scene. Photojournalist John Blake talked with startled parents and neighbors as police investigate the shooting. A Burnsville police investigation continues for a second day after gunfire sent kids running from Red Oak Park Friday night. Eric Johnson says he was already on the way to get his 11- and 9-year-old kids when he heard the gunshots.
Get in, all of you. How many are there? Where's that?
I don't know, but they're shooting.
Another neighbor we talked to says her daughter was there and described the shooting to her.
4 people wearing all black come up from the hill and just started opening fire.
Megan, who didn't want to be identified, said she also heard it happen.
When my husband and I heard the gunshots, we ran outside and we could see people running from the park. We could hear people screaming. We could see cars peeling out and taking off. And it was just chaos.
Burnsville police say the shooting was near the basketball court and investigators were still searching for evidence Saturday morning. Another neighbor we talked to says he moved here to escape what he says is growing violence in Minneapolis.
It's just the issue keeps growing, and it's growing from the city, you know, and it's now coming out here.
Things were really quiet here 12 years ago, and then the last 6 months, it's really changed. My oldest wants to move, and I don't think they'll be going to the park for quite some time.
Police say they're still searching for the suspects who ran off through the woods, and so far no arrests have been made. No word on the condition of 4 of the victims tonight, but police say one was treated at the scene and released.